Welcome on board. May I see your ticket, please?
Here you go.
Seat number 54D. This way, right side. Excuse me, sir. Could you turn off your phone and mobile devices? We're preparing to take off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Please fasten your seatbelt too.
Okay, sure.
What would you like to have? And any drinks for you, sir?
I'll have a chicken meal. I'll have some tea.
Okay, sure.
Excuse me, can you get me a blanket, please? It's really cold here.
Okay, sure. I'll be right back with your blanket.
Thank you.
Do you need a declaration card?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. How was your flight?
It was really good. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.